Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do, or unbagging. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Happy New Year to everybody. It is 2021. Hopefully this year is going to be a lot better than last, because it's been an interesting one so far. So let's see what we got in here. And you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Is this a pillow? Here we go. I can't believe it's already 2021. Oh lordy. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't cut it. That's a good thing. Nope, no damage. Oh. Alright. Oh. Let's see, what is this? We got a hoodie. Very nice. Alright, good old Champion. Champion. They've been around forever, just like me. Let's see if this fits. Comfy. Oh yeah, it's winter time here, so these are always good to have extra of. Oh yeah, these fit. Well, it's nice and warm. I'm not no model, so I'm not going to be showing myself on here. But let me zip this up. Got to break it in a little bit more. There we go. Got the Champion right there. The pegs. Alright. Enough that. So check them out. Link is going to be down below. Be safe. Happy New Year. And have a good weekend. See ya.